This is the classic Sonatina first movement. I'm going to start with my right hand onto treble C, right there. That's where middle C is. And left hand, I'm going to start on G and F, also in the C position in the bass. Here we go. Let's spend some time looking at the right hand first. You can see there's so many scales that are happening. So over in right hand, let's start on the treble C, and we're going to play a scale, remembering to turn over to middle C. So the first time, let's play it louder. Turn, and then quiet. Stretch to B and D. Let's go back to C. Loud. Over to high C. Now onto section B, you can see on the music, we're going to start on 3 on B here. This is a G position. Move to C position. 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Move to D position. 3 on F sharp. And let's play that scale on C nice and loud. And quiet all the way up to high C. Move back to treble C. Crossover. Crossover. And go up to E and C. Play together. Over to the left hand. Let's start the thumb on G, the 2 on F. Jump, hold. Stretch the B to G. And C and G. Quieter. We're going to play a G octave. G, reach G, G, 2 on C. Stay on this G and let's play the scale. G. Move to C scale. Move to D scale. With the F sharp, to G and F. And the G octave. Stretch. 2 on C. This time, let's move down to the lower G and let's play a full scale. Turn your 3 over